Alright, in this video we're going to look at circles, and we're going to start by looking at their circumference. So their circumference is, if we have a circle, remember it's the area around the outer part of the circle. And there's a special value for every circle there is that says this value pi is equal to the circumference over the diameter. So this area, the circumference divided by the thickest part of the circle, the diameter, that will always equal pi. So we could write this as d times pi equals the circumference. But the more common way you're going to see this is the circumference equals 2 pi r, meaning 2 times the radius, which is the diameter, times pi, is the circumference. So this is usually going to be the equation we use. So here I have a situation where I have the radius and I'm looking for the circumference. So c equals 2 pi r equals 4, so just 2 pi times 4. The circumference is just going to be 8 pi meters, and that's it. In this situation, I'm given the diameter. I'm looking for the circumference, so you could use this equation, but it's just another one to remember. You could just stick with 2 pi r. So if c equals 2 pi r, we say if the diameter is 10, what's the radius? It's just half that, or 5. So then c equals 2 pi times 5, or 10 pi meters, and that would be the circumference. We can also go the other way. So sometimes we're given the circumference. So again, 2 pi r is circumference. The circumference here is 20 pi, and I'm looking for the radius, 2 pi r. We have pi on each side. We can cancel that. Then we'll divide each side by 2, and we'll get r equals 10. And that'll be in meters. Now we could always plug that back in to make sure this works. Is 2 pi times 10 equal 20 pi? Yes. Here's another problem. I'm given the circumference. The circumference is 40. And I'm looking for r, so I got to get r alone, so I'm going to divide both sides by 2 pi. So r equals 40 over 2 pi, and we can reduce that to 20 over pi. And if we had a calculator, we'd get an exact number for that, but otherwise we'll just leave it as this. Lastly, I could have a problem like this. I have the circumference, I'm looking for the diameter. So again, circumference equals 2 pi r, if we just want to stick with that equation. So 50 equals 2 pi times r. So we divide both sides by 2 pi. So I get 50 over 2 pi equals my radius. So then the diameter is going to be twice that. So 2 times 50 over 2 pi. The 2's will cancel, so it will just be 50 over pi is my diameter, and that will be in meters. And that is pretty much it, dealing with circumference, diameter, and radius. It's just a matter of plugging into this equation and solving for the one that we're looking for. So that's it. So until next time, I am Derek Genova. Have a delightful day.